Welcome to the SAS Studios. I'm Mark Strauss, and today, another episode of Light Liner Highlights. I want to talk to you today about emergency lighting in commercial industrial applications. You typically have 20 to 25 batteries for every 10,000 square foot of building. And this is going to be, and if you'll see on screen here, in your exit signs, combo units, two-headed bug eyes that go on the wall, and of course that wonderful battery pack, that a device that's actually designed to fail. I got with Signtex lighting, and in 2006 we introduced the central battery system. Back then we were averaging two 12-volt batteries for every 10,000 square foot of building, had a single push-to-test button, and a LED readout, so you went to one location for every 10,000 square foot instead of 20 to 25. We then introduced an entire array of emergency fixtures, all LED based, to go along with that. So interior wall packs, interior recessed down lights, exterior wall packs, units to integrate with your curtain wall system, very highly architectural, and of course this for large high bay applications, 30, 40 foot mounting heights. This system has really been a workhorse for us, done a great job, but a little bit on the expensive side, averaging $300 per emergency point. We have come a long way since then. We've introduced now the BARR system. First of all, in functionality, we're averaging two 12-volt batteries for every 20,000 square foot of building. It tests itself, stores the data in the cloud, and sends you an email if there's an issue. As a matter of fact, right now, I'm going to go ahead and go through the internet and tell it to run a test. And so we'll go in here, and then boom. And here shortly, that's going to come on. In the meantime, I want to talk about another advancement we made, and this is the ELC device. We've got this in 4 different sizes so that it'll work in small decorative wall sconces, recessed down lights, 2x2s, 2x4s, even suspended linear fixtures, as well as up to high bay fixtures. 50,000 lumen high bays. I'm going to power at 5,000 lumens in emergency mode. So this has been a very significant advancement for us. Now you'll notice it just went into emergency mode. We also programmed the ELC, so this is a 2x2 4,000 lumen fixture that in emergency mode we program it to use only 800 lumens. Now if I want it to be 900,000 or the full 2,000, 4,000, I can do that. But I also want to show you another advancement we're just now introducing, and that is going to be the Signtex fully programmable ELC driver. This is going to be programmable on the ambient side as well as on the emergency side. So this will work with anybody's fixtures out there. It can be factory installed, as well as our ELC can be field or factory installed, as so is our driver. But this brings our cost. With the ELC, you end up at about $150 per emergency point. With the ELC driver, you end up at under $100 per emergency point. That's a huge savings. So just to recap, two 12-volt batteries for every 20,000 square foot of building, tests itself, stores the data in the cloud, and sends you an email if there's a problem. I didn't bring that up yet. Man, let's do that. I want to show you right here. Okay. And as you can see here, we just got our email with our status, and our batteries passed, our charger passed, so we're in good shape. Honestly, unless you get an email that says it failed, you don't even think about it unless the fire marshal shows up and wants some logs and you give him a printout. So once again, Mark Strauss, Strauss Architectural Systems and Signtex Lighting. Thank you very much.